This will be an unboxing of the Huawei P30 Pro, like a camera, quad camera actually. Huawei P30 Pro here on this side, and same thing on here. Two pieces of tape here. Go ahead and make an incision. What does that say? I'm secure, check contents, blah, 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 whatever. And also I gotta say, this is a heavy box for some reason. I don't know if it's just me, but this is a heavy box. Must be a lot of stuff in here. Let's go have a look. Make my incision here. And let's go. And immediately you are greeted with the phone. Very nice, as you can see. Huawei P30 Pro in the black colorway. We'll put the phone to the side for now and let's see what we get in the box. We have some stickers here. Throw that to the side, and we have the tray. Put that to the side also, and then here is our documentation. Let me get it out, as you can see. And I don't know what language that is. Throw that to the side. Here's your books and stuff. There you go. And then SIM ejection tool right there, so you can see. And no clear case this time. That's an interesting omission by Huawei. And in the box, this is the international version, so you get the international brick. Probably why the box was heavy. This is massive. Huawei Supercharge. There you go. And then in the packaging, you get the USB cable, which in the past has the purple kind of like inside. Let me just have a look right now. It has a purple connector on the inside. Put that to the side and you get some headphones here. And I don't think this phone has a headphone jack, so you'll get a USB Type-C connector right there for your headphones, as you can see. All right, cool. Put all that to the side and let's unwrap the phone and let's have a listen. Whew, very nice. And then do we have more plastic here? Yes, we do. Gotta take this stuff off. How do you take this off? Oh, here we go. Do you just, hold on a second. All right, got the plastic off. There you go. Just overthinking it a little bit. Put that to the side for now. No decals allowed on my devices. We'll put this little guy to the side, and here's the phone. Turn it on, and there you go. Huawei powered by Android. We'll take a look at the device. This is in the black colorway, and look at the reflection. Very nice. Now this is not like a jet black, has like a phone making noises, which is good. Has a kind of like a gunmetal, or not gunmetal, kind of like a black chrome finish to it, so you can see. Now really what I'm most interested in this phone is the camera. You have your quad camera set up back here. 40 megapixel, 20 megapixel, and this is, I think, 8 megapixel, 5x zoom periscope camera, which I'm really looking forward to testing this out. Really interested in this. So let me know in the comments below which phone you want me to test this phone against. Galaxy S10 Plus, Pixel 3 XL, iPhone XS Max. Let's have a closer look. This says Huawei and Huawei Technologies, etc. right there. And this one says Leica and some information about the camera sensor, etc. So try to focus in. You can read that right there. Cool. And up front, we do have a notch, a little teardrop. Well, not exactly a teardrop, kind of like a cross between a teardrop and a small notch, I guess. So let's just go ahead. English United Kingdom, English US, that's me. Get started. Whoa, I don't know if it's me, but the screen flicker, wow. A lot of screen flicker, okay. United States next. And all this stuff, I guess I have no choice but to say yes to that. It's all good. And no SIM card, we're gonna skip this. And data import, no data to import. I want a fresh start. Not that one. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna choose my Wi-Fi here. Where did my Wi-Fi go? There it is. Enter my password. Here we go, connected. Connecting, this may take a few minutes, just a sec, checking info. And then we're gonna skip the Google stuff for now as well. Skip. Okay, I'm gonna cancel all this Google stuff because, yeah, just cancel it. And then Huawei ID, I'm gonna skip the Huawei stuff also. Just wanna get into the phone real quick. No cloud stuff, skip cloud, skip. Okay, let's take a look at the fingerprint scanner. It is under the display. And then we'll just put in a bunch of zeros, that's the pin. So everybody can get in my phone. Okay, here we go, add fingerprint. We'll check this out. Enroll center fingerprint, and let's go. Enrollment successful. Very nice. Click OK. I'm gonna skip the other setup for now. Enhanced services, no thanks. User experience improvement program. Wow, a lot of prompts. Click later on that. Keep your software up to date. Enabling containers, sure. And we are in. So let's go to settings and we'll see the kind of Android we get. And we'll go to system. This should have Pi on it. And EMUI build number 9.1, etc. Android version 9, as you can see. And we do have Pi on board, which is nice. So let's open up the camera app. Really curious about the camera on this phone. And let's see, we have some pop-ups here just to kind of a guide on how to use the camera. Location tag, we'll do that later. And here we go. As you can see, photo, and then it's how you go through the stuff. Night mode, aperture mode, etc. Photo, video. This phone does have a pro mode, as you can see. And some more here. These are all of your options. Slow-mo, panorama, time-lapse, stickers, HDR, etc. Very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of something right now, right meow. Let's go ahead and just take a picture of this box, and then I'll just take a quick pic. Make sure this thing is in landscape.
Hi, I'm your assistant, here to help you throughout your day. Here are some things you can try saying to get started.
Somehow Google Assistant came up. No Google Assistant yet.
Hi, I'm your assistant, here to help you throughout your day. Here are some things you can try saying to get started.
All right, dude. So I think the thing is on, like the OK Google thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and, let me see if I can turn that off. Give me a second. I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of this. Snap. And then take a picture of that stuff right there. Snap. I'll put these in the video, but I want to check out the zoom. This is the 5x. This is the 5x zoom, so you can see. So this is nice. 5x optical zoom. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom on these Rhino Shield boxes and take a picture of that. And then I'm gonna go back to the 1x just to give you an idea of how far the camera is from the boxes. There's 1x, 5x. Again, 1x, 5x. And then to go beyond that, this is 10x. Now 10x is the digital zoom, so you can expect a lower quality when using anything above 5x because it uses a digital zoom after that. This is a 6.47-inch display, 1080 by 2340 resolution, HDR10 display. And then this side of the phone is nothing. On this side of the phone, you have your power button, which also has that red accent, pixel-esque, if you will. Volume rocker right here. I like that red though. On the bottom, your SIM slot, USB Type-C, your speaker. And I like how this part is flat. And let me try something real quick. Will this stand up on its own? Maybe, maybe not. I don't think my table is 100% flat, but what about this way? It's not gonna stand on my table, but nice attempt. And on top, you have an IR blaster and another sensor for the mic. This is your glass front and back build with a metal frame all the way around. Pretty standard build for a 2019 flagship nowadays. Feels really good in hand. Nice and solid. So no complaints in terms of the craftsmanship here. Very nice. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the Huawei P30 Pro. Is speed tests, camera tests versus S10 Plus, Pixel 3 XL, iPhone XS Max. Thanks for watching. Peace out.